Today we will learn Chinese characters.
和
Now, watch how I pronounce it.
和和鹅和和河水河水这里的河水很清，这里的河水很清。河边，河边，我们在河边玩。我们在河边玩。黄河，黄河，中国有一条黄河。中国有一条黄河。
Next, let's see how to write this character. The left part of this character is related to water, and the right part indicates its pronunciation. This character means river or large river. In ancient China, it specifically referred to the Yellow River, which is China's mother river and symbolizes the origin of Chinese civilization. Today, we use this character to generally refer to rivers. This stroke should be written quickly. This stroke should be written long. That's it for today's class. See you next time.